Come on, babe. Babe, you put 1 teaspoon here in the middle. More. Fill the spoon. More. Come on, more. Do like this, oh. Do like that. Like that, oh. Like that. Put it here in the middle. Then, okay, spread it. Oh, put it back there. Spread like that. You need to use like this, and like that.
Okay, I got that.
Okay. Spread it properly. Come on, till here, oh. Till like this, oh. There, up there. Then like that. Come on. Okay, Papa lang. Okay, put 1 more teaspoon. Come on.
Where?
Here, in the middle. Okay, enough. You will do like this, oh.
So what do we do next?
Okay. Next, you put you do like this, oh. Wait. Do like this. Like that. Like that.
Okay, I got
Come on.
that.
How about you get another spoon? Come on.
Oh no, it's stuck.
Get another spoon. So, put in the middle.
Here?
Yeah. Then spread. You spread it. No, using this one. Like that.
Okay.
Spread evenly. Spread it even. Come on. No.
What?
Not like this. One more cheese. One more.
What?
1 tablespoon of white cheese. Come on.
In the middle?
Go.
Oh, sorry for that.
Okay. Come on.
More?
Okay. Then spread it.
Okay.
More. Spread it. Chill it. Up. About the other side.
Oh, here?
Up. Here. There's no cheese here. You bring the cheese.
Okay.
And next,
So next?
put cheese. Use your hands. Spread. The middle. Come on. Put like this. Like that. The small pieces. Come on. The small pieces. Put here. Okay. That's good. Then put some here. Here.
You only because your hands is going to be dirty.
Here. Your arty, no? Then we'll wait.
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will be right back.
Next, we put parmesan.
Panasa.
There you go.
Can I do it?
No, you will mess. Marius and Papa's pizza. What will you say to our viewers? Will you say?
Subscribe our channel.
What are you making?
Pizza.
You're making pizza. Little boy's pizza, right?
Yeah, is it gonna be
Tomato
bad?
sauce and cheese.
Yeah.
Good. So, here's the first one, right?
Yeah, we need to open this.
Yeah.
What's that here?
Pizza. Come on. This is you're the one who did this?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we will put it inside the oven. Let's wait for the first one to finish. Nice one, Marius.
Yeah, do not pause it yet.
What's the first, Marius? First thing to do, put the...
In the middle.
Yeah, in the middle, the tomato.
Here?
More. Put more. 3 more. Yeah,
Okay.
the middle. Okay.
I think that's enough.
No? More. Last one. Then spread it using your spoon. Come on. Spread it till the side. Come on. Spread.
Like
More.
this?
Yeah, slide. More, more. Bigger and bigger. Come on.
Okay.
More. Like this, oh. More.
Okay. I think it's sticky.
More. It's not sticky. More. Spread it. Oh, there's a lot of white, oh. Fill it all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Spread. More sauce. Come on. Put
Where?
more sauce. Yeah. Spread. Is it complete?
Not yet.
How about the other side? You're messing. You're messing the other side, but the other side is empty. Okay. More. Because you still have white cheese to do. More. Spread. Fill all the white spot with sauce. Come on. Faster.
Okay.
Look at the other side.
So it's done.
Do it. How about here? Okay, next. Here. Spread. Just like putting crayon. You need to fill it up. Don't mess. Okay, next. White sauce.
Okay.
White sauce.
And white sauce.
Just like this. Put here. Put in the middle. Then
Okay.
spread. And to spread.
Like that? Like
Spread.
this?
Spread. Okay, you put that one. Cheddar, come on. In the middle, then the side. It's like this. It's like this. You spread. Come on. Oh, that's too much. Spread. I said spread. Didn't spread. Like that.
Okay.
Spread.
So put this here.
Okay, nice one, babe. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
The other one, oh. It's messing. Put in the middle. There you go. Marius, up. Don't lie down. Up.
I'm sleeping.
Here's your first pizza. We will slice it. There you go. Marius cheese
Can I eat?
pizza. Careful, baby. It's hot. You ready to eat? Come on, eat. Marius pizza. Homemade pizza. Our boys' pizza. So, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe
Come on.
and channel.
Look at the camera. How does it taste?
Yummy.
Good.
Cheese.
Now you put white cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. More. 3 more. Or 4. Come on. Don't mess.
4.
Okay, more.
So that's enough.
Okay, then spread it. Till the side. More. Oops. The other side.
Okay.
Look at all. Look. Hi, man. Come on.
No. Sorry to mess.
Yeah.
I don't need.
Go, you do it. Come on. That's your pizza.
Spread it.
Come on.
Where?
Make it even.
Here. Spread it a bit here. Here.
Make it circle, babe. There, like that. The other side. Like that. Okay, you put cheese. That one. And just
Your
like this,
spoon,
oh.
babe.
Oh.
Your spoon, oh. Remove your spoon. Put some more here on the side.
Hmm.
There. Okay, Spread it out.
Spread. Look at this. Just like this, huh? Nice one.
20 seconds remaining.
You do like this, huh? Spread. Oh.
You're going to screw your teeth, Elise. 5,
Okay, that's enough. Oh, more.
2, 1, and stop.
I can't be having a VR.
Wow, Marius has a very cute pizza. Nice one, babe.
VR. Oh, it's
Yeah, your another pizza is done. Wow.
haha. Loser mom.
Can't see it caught, and then some candy pecans.
So guys, here's my boy's pizza. Pizza na dala laro-laro lang. So ayan.
Fish connect. Beautiful glistening in the center. Crispy skin on top.
Gusto daw niya nagkaroon ng viewers.
Some crispy prosciutto and
Gusto na niya mag-subscribe kayo sa aming channel. You sit there so that you will invite our viewers to subscribe. Come on. Come here. Because you put it down. There.
Right, next up, the battle
Sit
of the
there.
room. Let's go.
Here's Marius Pizza.
Let's start off.
So, what will you say?
Subscribe
To?
your channel.
Okay.
with the creaminess of the
So, that's it mga sano, yung laro niyang pizza. Masarap naman.
Please describe this.
So, maraming salamat. Please subscribe to our channel. And to God be the glory. There you go.
This is my own pizza of all subscribers.
Ah, you're making pizza now. Okay. Oh, how does it taste? So, ayan mga sano, gumagawa siya ng sarili niyang pizza. So, binilan lang namin siya ng dough. Tapos yung mga ingredients na yan, white cream cheese, ito yung ordinary na cheese, tsaka tomatoes. Oh, pep. Say bye, invite your viewers. Then, what will you say?
Subscribe our channel.
Okay, bye-bye.